Hello, and welcome to the Eastern Long Island Academy of Applied Technology. My name is Mrs. Esposito, one of the school counselors at the Academy. I'm really excited to talk to you about career and technical education and how taking a program at the Academy will help prepare you for the world of work ahead. Those of you watching this presentation may know exactly what you want to do when you leave high school, and some of you may have no idea, and that's okay. Taking a CTE class will help prepare you for a wide range of high-wage, high-skill, high-demand careers. Let's begin with, what is CTE? CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. Our programs offer students the opportunity to explore and learn career-specific skills. Our classes emphasize hands-on learning and allow students to have access to options after high school. Let's take a moment and watch a video created by both our TV and audio production classes, which highlight all of our CTE programs.
Lights up, the whole world opened up to me, and I've got two roads, and I call which it's gonna be, and I am scared, but I will hold on to the only way I know, and that's to push on. I roll my sleeves up, wipe the sweat out of my eyes from going uphill. I know what I signed up for, but I am strong and I will power through the only way I know, and that's with both eyes up front. And it won't be easy, and I won't stumble, but I'll pick my head up and I never stop, never let up. I found my fire and I turn it up, never let it go out. I found where I belong, never stop, never let up. I found my fire and I found my fire and The lights up, a whole world opened up to me, and I've got two roads, and I call which it's gonna be, and I am scared, but I will hold on to the only way I know, and that's to push on. I roll my sleeves up, wipe the sweat out of my eyes from going uphill. I know what I signed up for, but I am strong and I will power through the only way I know, and that's with both eyes up front. And it won't be easy, and I won't stumble, but I'll pick my head up and I never stop, never let up. I found my fire and I turn it up, never let it go out. I found where I belong, never stop, never let up. I found my fire and I won't keep on keeping up. Oh, I will, and I won't keep on keeping up. It was never easy. Everybody stumbles. Never stop, never let up. This is our fire and we turn it up, never let it go out. We found where we belong. Never stop, never give up. This is our fire and we turn it up. We keep on turning up. Never stop, never let up. I found my fire and I turn it up, never let it go out. I found where I belong. Never stop, never let up. I found my fire and
Some benefits of CTE include education in the area of your interest, learning from teachers from industry, emphasis on hands-on skill learning, transferable skills known as soft skills or power skills. These are employability skills such as professionalism, teamwork, and written and oral communication. Earn certifications before graduating high school, opportunities to earn high school and college credit, work experience, internships, and job shadowing. And hopefully by the time you leave us, have a defined career pathway. The Academy focuses on both college and career readiness, while offering internships and college credits through articulations and dual enrollment programs. These are just a few of the schools we have built these partnerships with. Just a little bit about the Academy. We have 3 campuses, and our students are juniors and seniors from districts ranging from West Islip to Montauk. As an Academy student, you will also be able to earn high school credits, tech endorsement, and the opportunity to be a part of organizations such as Skills USA and National Technical Honor Society. Students applying to the Academy, you should talk to your guidance counselors about program offerings and eligibility. Students, maintain good academic standing and attendance while passing your Regents exams and keeping a clean discipline record. Do your very best so you too can be a part of this experience. Here is a list of programs and their locations. For further information, please reference the catalog or visit our website, academyli.org. Thank you for taking the time out to listen to this presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Academy. 631-244-5815.